I drove all the way from California for another tip for Rippleside. I gotta get another turkey tip today. I'm just acting natural. I'm gonna speak natural. I'm gonna act, so I just pulled up in my car. Now I can hear them. They're somewhere out there. I can hear them. And I'm just gonna act natural. So I'm gonna bring my fishing rod, which I do off the piers of California, which is that way. And I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna eat a donut. I'm just gonna be natural of myself and get close to them, because sometimes when I don't think they're gonna be harmed, I read that the turkeys might just come checking it out. So I'm gonna grab my donut. I love chocolate donuts. They're just little things. They're just little chocolate donuts are my favorite. Get them at gas stations. I got them like 30 packs on the way from California. You eat this. I'm just gonna cast. I'm just gonna pretend I'm casting. There's no water, but that's okay. I'm just gonna cast in the weeds, and maybe they'll think that a fish is like a little rodent or something. We'll make it happen. Gotta act natural. What's up, California? Making you proud. Come real beside, I got it. Woo! Way to go. Way to go. I have to be very, very quiet. I'm in a school, and I'm getting Mr. Peterson his turkey tip. Today's turkey tip is all about owning up to the mistakes we make. When I was little, I mean real little, there are things that I did to my brother and I'd never told my mom about. I didn't want to say a thing about it because I felt so ugly inside, and I didn't want to get disciplined. And I'd go to bed and I couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep at all because I just didn't want to tell her, because I didn't want to accept the things that I had done wrong. But man, I learned from that. I mean, I've learned a lot. I've done so many bad things, and I just ran across the street. And I shouldn't have done that. I should have waited, and there's a lot of things I did wrong. I ran through a stop sign. I don't know if I'm supposed to run through stop signs, but whatever the case, if you do something bad, the turkey tip says we need to own up to it. Own up to the things that you do. I gotta let Mr. Peterson know this. Come on in. Come on in. Yeah, we have our tip today, folks. We have our tip. Today's tip is dealing with accepting consequences. What does that mean, to accept the consequences? When we choose to make a bad choice, we have to accept the consequences that come our way. And the turkey tip today asks us to, what does it mean to accept consequences? So I want you to brainstorm as a class, what does it mean to accept consequences, and how can we become a better student in Rippleside if we choose to accept our consequences when we make mistakes? Go ahead and brainstorm.